What's up guys, Nax Tech here, and this is going to be my top 5 apps of the week. As always, you can find the links in the description, so if you like them, just go ahead and download them straight up. So yeah, let's get into it. Number 1 is an app called SnapChat. Now this is quite cool. Basically, this is a program that both users will have to have if you want to do it. And if you want to send a picture to someone, maybe your girlfriend or boyfriend, and you don't want them to keep it, or you think it's a bit dodgy and you just want them to have it for a bit, this is the app you want, because you can set a timer for how long they can have it, and then it's gone forever. So, you know, there's no worry about, are they going to keep it, you know, what they're going to do with it and all that stuff. So, let me go ahead and show you how it works. It opens up and it opens straight into the camera. Now, I don't know if this is just an incompatibility with Jelly Bean on my phone, but I can't see anything. I don't know why that is. It does still take the picture, so I'm going to show you that it is still taking the picture. I'm just going to take a picture of my hand. Okay. I mean, that would probably work on your phones, but it doesn't on mine. I don't know why. So you can hit this button here, and you can kind of annotate stuff. So you know, you can annotate stuff. You hit the save button underneath here. And it saves the image. You hit the timer, and this is where you set how long you want the other person to have it. It's from 1 second to 10. So you know, if it's a bit dodgy and a bit personal, you know what I mean. You can set it to like 2 or 3 or like 5 if you're sending it to your boyfriend or girlfriend, or 10 if you really trust them. But you know, let's go ahead and set it to about 4. You can see it says 4 there. Hit the save button. You have to make sure you hit the save button after everything. Hit the send button here. And you know, I don't have anybody with this app at the moment, so I'm just going to send it to myself and show you what it's like. When you start this app, you have to sign up, and you can share it with your friends and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and send it to me. And you'll see at the top there, new snapshot from Ode, which is me. So go ahead and click it. It'll open up into this, and you can see here, moments ago from me, press and hold to view. Now press and hold. And there you go, there's the image. You can see the timer counting down. It's going to just disappear, and that's it. You can no longer view that message. It's completely gone. It's not in the gallery. It's not savable. It's just gone. So yeah, if you want to be a bit private with your messages and picture messages, get this. It's a great app for you. Next up is Smart Launcher. Now this is another launcher replacement app, but it's one of the cool ones. I really like it. It's really different. So you open it up and it starts into this wizard. You press next. It asks you what your favorite music player you want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and hit play music. What favorite dialer? If you've got different dialers, different galleries. This one's interesting, the messaging, because I actually use WhatsApp a lot more than I use my messaging. So I'm going to go ahead and click WhatsApp. And this is what it's like. So this is now the screen here. So you unlock and it goes straight into this. So it's very simple. You've got your messages, your dialer, your internet, your gallery, and your music. So if you can see, you just hit that and it goes into the app. Hit back out, and I hit this button down here, it goes into your app tray. But look how customized this is. It makes Android look completely different, which I really, really like. So look at that, and it actually organizes your apps for you in different sections. You can see how nice it all looks. It all works really, really smoothly, really well. So if you want kind of a more simple user interface for Android, I think this is going to be the launcher for you. It puts all the stuff in the right locations for you. Got your Google Play, your search up here, your phone, internet, media, utilities. You can see it's put all my utilities in the right place, which is really, really nice. Go ahead and hit the settings. You get all your settings stuff. Let's go into the appearance and see what we can change. So we can change the stuff with the home screens, screen orientation, the clock color, the hours, all that good stuff is all changeable still. The drawers, icon size, theme drawer, so you can change your theme, you can download more. Yeah, categorize stuff. You can get the full version. This is free, but it pretty much does exactly what you want. So you can disable and enable widget support. If you don't have a phone that has loads of RAM, this is going to be great for you, because it says here it requires more RAM, 10 to 20 megabytes. So you can disable it if you're thinking, oh, my phone is just not good enough for this. You can set the number of screens in the widget panel. Let's turn it on and have a look. Okay, so you can't. You need to buy the Pro version if you want the widgets. So that's one thing you need to remember. But I think it's really nice. I just love the way it looks. I love how different Android can look, you know. Look, it's just completely different to my other launcher. So if you like the look of it, yeah, go ahead and get it. Next up on my list is Droid. Droid is a downloader that will pretty much download any file. If you're like me and you download a lot of stuff through the browser, sometimes it won't download. It's a real pain and it doesn't download all the file types. This is the app you want. I'm going to demonstrate that it can pretty much download anything. It gives you tips in your thing, but only when the app's open, not when it's not. So it shouldn't be much like junk coming through. You can see all the different stuff. It puts the downloads in. If it's an audio, image, text, it'll put it in the separate files. You get yourself a plus here. If you know the URL name, you can go straight in. I'm just going to go ahead and hit this browser button, and you can actually search and use a built-in browser for it. So I'm just going to go somewhere and download a quick file just to show you what it's like. Hit the download here. You can zoom in and out. It's all very smooth. It all works really well. Just going to hit this button down here. If I can hit it, I'll zoom in. Damn it. There we go. And you can see it comes up here. You can name it whatever you want, where your storage. Now the good thing about it is also you can tell it allow Wi-Fi mobile network, load in roaming, use Wi-Fi only. So it'll only download this file if I'm on Wi-Fi or mobile network and Wi-Fi if I want it to. So that's a really nice feature there. It says here, this is always ticked, try to speed up by loading in 3 parts. So I don't quite know what it does there, but we're going to leave it on anyway. So let's hit start. And up the top here, it comes up with downloading. And it'll tell you the downloading there, and it'll give you a little bar graph how far along it's gone. If we hit back up, you can see there's now 1 here. And there it is, it's finished and done. If we hit it, it comes up with open, delete, rename, move, and reload again. So you can see it can download pretty much any file type and it'll put it in the right stuff. It shows you where it's downloaded it to. It's a really nice app if you have problems downloading stuff. Maybe about this file will be deleted, download file and its parts will stay untouched. Okay, so you can delete it from here but keep it on your system, so that's quite interesting. So yeah, if you like the look of it, go ahead. Next up, guys, is an app called SnapPanda. This is going to be a useful app if you're not sure about what a word is and you want the definition, or if you see a word and you I don't know what the hell that means. This is going to be great for you. You can either type the word in and it will just do the search and find the definition, like I don't know, type, and it'll go ahead and give you the definition there, expressions, add to list, and all that stuff there. But the best thing about this app is you can snap a word. So if you've got the camera ready, and you don't know what a word means on a sign or something, you can go ahead and take a picture and it'll find it, and I'll show you how that works. So let's just go ahead and grab something that I can take a picture of here. And basically what you do, I'm not sure where you hold it, you want to get your word in between the lines. Let it focus a second and then click the word you want. Just touch a word on screen and you can see it comes up here, conditions, so it recognised the word. Go ahead and hit go and find, and it goes and finds conditions and tells you all the stuff you need to know, and you can share and all that stuff. So that's really, really cool. I really like the fact that you can just have a camera here, and I don't know what that autofocus failed was, but there we go, it's working now. Go ahead and just click any word summary box and it will find it. So if we go ahead and just try and click box, see, sometimes it doesn't always find it, but it's quite useful. There we go, box, and go ahead and hit this. We'll just hit box and you can see it gives the definitions. So it's really, really cool. I love the way how you can just pick a word on a page and it will find it. So yeah. Lastly, we've got Photo Warp Plus. Now, this app's been around for a while, but it's recently added the Plus, and it's got a load more features, so I thought I'd do a review on it. Pretty much as the title suggests, that's not me, by the way. That's just a picture that comes with. You can obviously snap your own pictures and do whatever you want, but I am going to use this one as a little test. So, as the app name suggests, you can do all sorts of stuff like warping, saving the image, making little animations out of it. So if I show you that here, you can choose what you want to do here. We'll just leave it on that one. Actually, we'll leave it on that one. We'll hit this up. You can choose the size, and you can see you can kind of warp the expression, right? You can do whatever you want, you know. Make them have a massive forehead. Just like an interesting, funny little aspect that loads of people seem to love. And you can mess around with it, and there's so many different things. You can do like patterns here, you can twist noses. That's looking interesting. Let's twist an eye here. Wow, that is some messed up genes. If we hit here, you can load, we can load how long you want this to go. So if you want, let's go ahead and choose 2.5 seconds, hit play. And it will render the animation. Now this obviously depends on the speed of your phone, but yeah. So yeah, once that's done, you get this animation of what you've done from normal face, the transition to the horrible face you made, and look at it, it's quite cool, right? So you can go ahead and save this, and then you can, you know, send it off to your networks or people, whatever you want. I'm just not going to bother doing that. I'm just going to leave it as that. Go through these. So you can post to the internet, you can save it. Oh, I don't know what this one does. You need to install place card from the store to place all your photos in funny places. Okay, I don't know what this one is. Face off. Yeah, so it's other little apps that you can kind of join in the social networks and mess around with. So it's quite cool. Get out of that. Face off, we don't need it. Obviously that just saved it to my SD card. If you hit this people bit here, it'll reset the picture because you can choose to snap your own picture here, save and whatnot. Yeah, let's give it a bit. You know, it's a nice app. It's a fun little app to play with. Everyone seems to love these apps. You can reset your picture here and go back to normal. There's loads of little cool functions. You can zoom in and out. Really mess up people's faces. Everyone loves messing up faces, right? Yeah, mess that up. Yeah. Man, that's fucked up. Right? There's so many different cool things you can do. And yeah, obviously you can save and share to whoever you want. So yeah, that's my top 5 apps of the week, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like my videos, please rate, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.